We just studied the Sutram 2.2.18, Ku Gati Pradayaha, and we saw the example of a compound using the indeclinable ku. The example was Kutsitaha Purushaha Kupurushaha. Let us now take a look at some substitutions which come in place of ku when it enters into a compound. These rules are found in the third quarter of the 6th chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. Remember the adhikaraha of uttarapade, which runs down from 6.3.1 all the way to the end of the third quarter of the 6th chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. So all these operations in this quarter are to be performed only when the final member of a compound follows. And we have already seen some rules in this section. For example, we have studied 6.3.14, Tatpurushe Kriti Bahulam. We have studied 6.3.57, Udakasyotaha Sanyayam. We have studied 6.3.67, Arurdvisha Dajantasya Mum, and so on. The section we are going to take up now is from 6.3.101 through 6.3.108. Anuvritti of Koho goes down from 6.3.101 all the way through 6.3.108. We will take a look at a few rules in this section. Let us start by taking the rule 6.3.101. It says Koho kat tatpurushe chi. The cheda is Koho kat tatpurushe achi. Vritti simply says Ajada Uttarapade. So the meaning of the sutram is in a tatpurusha compound, the indeclinable ku takes the substitution kat when it is followed by a vowel beginning final member. As we already mentioned, the adhikara of Uttarapade runs down from 6.3.1 all the way through this entire third quarter of the 6th chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. The note here says that as per the Paribhasha Sutram 1.155, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, the entire term ku is replaced by kat. Since the substitution kat has more than one letter, therefore it replaces the entire term being substituted, which is ku. Let's take an example here. Kutsitam annam equals kadannam, meaning bad food. Derivation is straightforward. The alaukika vigraha is ku plus anna plus su, compounding authorized by the Sutram 2.2.18, Kugati Pradayaha. And we know that this is a nitya samasaha because in the laukika vigraha we have to use a term which is not in the compound itself. So we cannot say ku annam. We have to say kutsitam annam. Anuvritti of nityam coming down from 2.2.17 down to 2.2.18. Now as per 1.2.43, Prathamanidrishtam samasa upasarjanam, the term ku gets the designation upasarjanam because in the Sutram 2.2.18, which prescribes the compounding, the term ku gati pradayaha ends in the nominative case, and hence as per 2.2.30 upasarjanam purvam, the term ku is placed in the prior position in the compound. Now ku plus anna su gets the designation pratipadikam by 1.2.46. This allows us to apply 2.4.71 supo dhatu pratipadikayoho to perform the look elision on the sup affix su, which is inside the compound pratipadikam. So we now get ku plus anna. Now all the conditions for applying the Sutram 6.3.101 are satisfied because we do have a compound in which the final member anna begins with a vowel and it is following the avyayam ku. So in place of ku we replace kat. And as per the Paribhasha Sutram 1.155, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, the entire term ku is replaced by kat. Then we apply 8.2.39 Jalam Jashonte to replace the letter ta with the corresponding jash letter, which is da. So we get the form kadanna. Remember that ku is a avyayam. So following the avyayam, the default sup affix su has already taken the look elision by 2.4.82 avyad ap supaha. Hence ku does have the padasanya by 1414 suptingantam padam with the help of 1162 pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam, and hence kat, which came in place of ku, also has the padasanya as per 1156 sthanivadadesho nal vidhau. So therefore the conditions for applying 8239 jalam jashonte are satisfied. Now as per the sutram 2426 paravalingan dvandvatat purushayoho, the compound kadanna is neuter, since the latter member an of the compound is neuter. Compound declines like vana shabdaha.